Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to have a fun activity for you all today. Today we're going to do a volcano apple.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
What we're going to need is some vinegar, food coloring, an apple in a pan, baking soda, and some soap. You guys have your tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in your apple. And then put your food coloring in here. Each color for 3 drops. Gotta keep them separate. A few drops of soap. Okay, we're going to pour our vinegar in, and we're going to watch as this is going to erupt. Look how awesome that is! That is so cool! That is your volcano apple. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.